right, and now we're moving on to our retail extension.
All right.
And refurbishment.
This award will be handed out by Bruno Lambrecht from CFE.
So Bruno, come join us.
And this is the short list. Atrium Promenada, Atrium European Real Estate Poland. CEDET Immobile Poland. Centrum Handlowe Auchan Produkcyjna, Citrus Poland. Factory Poznań Outlet, Nainver Poland. Galeria MK, LCP Poland. Grand Kitchen and Outdoor Playground, Unibay Rodamco Westfield Poland. Galeria AKS Chorzów,
Welcome.
Carrefour Poland. Galeria Gryf Szczecin, Carrefour Poland. Shopmark Shopping Center, Diofa Asset Management, Hungary.
So Bruno, thank you for sponsoring this award again and being part of our event and supporting us.
Thank you. Good evening. So the winner is, let's say, our friends of Atrium Real Estate, so Atrium Promenada.
Atrium Promenada. Yeah. And you built it, yes, exactly. Well, good they won. Welcome back. Congratulations again.
Always nice to get something from Bruno other than a claim in the current market. Once again, thanks to everyone. You know, I joined Atrium relatively recently. This project started 5 years ago, and as you probably know, Promenada was originally built in the 1970s. It was a factory that was converted into a shopping center. When we started this refurbishment program some time ago, there weren't even any as-built drawings. So it's been a hugely challenging project. And thank you very, very much. This is recognition to a lot of people in Atrium who've put a lot of hard work in to deliver the project. If you haven't seen it, go down because the change is really dramatic.
So please come join us for a photo.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank
We
you.
got our guys here.